Sagutin ko lang tong comment na to. Kahit pa may cash ako sitting around, hindi ko bibili ng cash. Utangin ko pa rin, tas invest ko yung pera para mag-grow. I actually agree with this 100%. Sa mga nag-follow sa akin dahil nakita nyo yung kung paano ko ipaglaban ng utang, you will be surprised that I actually want to be debt-free as fast as I can. Kung makikita nyo sa pin post ko, meron ako dyan video explaining how you can pay your mortgage faster by doing accelerated bi-weekly payments. Going back dito sa comment, if you actually give me money right now, I will not pay off my debt or my mortgage kasi yun lang naman ang utang namin right now. But I will actually invest. So, konting story time lang tayo. I started investing in the stock market dito tsaka US stock market around 2017 or 2018. Because this is the time I discovered self-direct accounts na pwede palang ako yung gumawa nun. So, every month we put a little money on those investment accounts. And when we got this house, yung mortgage, so parang nashock ako sa laki ng interest na i-charge sa amin. But what can I do? Wala naman akong ganong kalaking pera to pay the house cash. So, nagmath talaga ako. Gumawa ako ng spreadsheet ko ng amortization table and how I can pay off this mortgage as fast as we can. So, we did the accelerated bi-weekly. Tapos, pag may extra kami, naglalagay kami ng medyo magandang amount doon sa principal. Just because I want to pay the house as fast as we can. But when I realized that S&P 500 is actually on an average of 10% annual return, tapos yung mortgage ko, ang interest lang nun ay mababa kasi nga medyo maganda yung rate nung nakuha namin. So inisip ko, mas okay ba na binabayaran ko yung mortgage ko kaysa dapat ini-invest ko? My realization is, mas okay dapat kung ininvest ko siya. Kasi doon pa lang sa return, mas kumita sana yung pera kung nilagay ko siya doon sa mga investment ko. But knowing what I know right now, especially magre-renew kami ng mortgage at mataas yung interest rate, paying off the mortgage worked in our favor. So, mas maliit yung principal ng i-renew namin. Yes, mataas yung interest rate, but it will lessen the impact on our daily budget dahil medyo may significant amount kami ng principal na nabayaran na. But yeah, if ever I get like a good amount of money right now, I will not pay the utang. I will invest because most of the good stocks that I'm trying to buy, they're at the lowest price. I also want to add a couple more ETFs doon sa mga portfolio namin. And when the stock market performs like this, it's a very good time to buy.